Hi, I'm Jim from SSL and I'm here at Ambertech's headquarters in Sydney, Australia for the Australian launch of the Matrix console. But just what is the Matrix? Matrix is a system that's designed from the ground up for the serious Project Studio user. The kind of customer who the computer is the centre of their system, but they like to combine that with some analog magic somewhere in the signal path. But just what is it? Well, first and foremost, Matrix is a super analog SSL line mixer. You have 16 faders, but 2 inputs per channel, which means that you can have 32 analog inputs at mixdown with 4 stereo aux returns. You have a stereo cue system, so you can give a real zero latency monitor system to your artist while having a separate foldback section for the studio. It also has SSL's Super Cue system, which means that when you're tracking, you can monitor both the mic input and the DAW return with zero latency, no delay compensation, and no additional ADs to reduce your quality. Where Matrix really stands out as an analog mixing system is the way that it can integrate outboard units into your DAW setup. Instead of putting 16 aux sends, one on each channel, we have 16 floating aux sends. You can throw away your patch bay. You can hardwire all of your outboard pre's, your boutique preamps, EQs and dynamics, and call them up direct from the Matrix editor that we have here on screen. This means that you can very quickly integrate your analog outboard equipment into your DAW projects. On the other side of the coin, Matrix is a fully functional DAW controller. We have MIDI over Ethernet, which means that we can control 4 different DAWs simultaneously. Simply set up a profile and switching between them is as simple as pressing a button. There's no reboot, there's nothing you have to set up, it's a fast workflow solution. On top of that, Matrix has a USB keyboard emulator, so we have 5 banks of 16 soft keys that you can assign to the way that you work your sessions. Everyone does things a little bit differently, so having Matrix in front of you allows you to configure the quickest and most efficient way of getting the work done. Matrix also has a built-in stereo master AD-DA converter designed by SSL, which you can assign to either of the confidence monitoring systems or even plug in direct to your Mac to listen to tunes direct from iTunes in the control room. Matrix is a great size, and using Mackie Control and Huey can work with any of the major DAWs out there, even some of the video editing software. It will be shipping from the middle of May, and we do have some great supportive stocking dealer partners here in Australia. So if you want to check one out, get in touch with Amber and they can put you in touch with your local showroom.